Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 versus the BMW M240i. We'll explore how these two cars, despite both being performance-oriented, cater to vastly different driving experiences and budgets. Get ready to dive into their specifications, design, and overall value proposition. This comparison will help you understand what each vehicle truly offers. When it comes to raw power, the Ferrari SF90 is a true hypercar, delivering an astonishing 986 combined horsepower from its twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.5 seconds. The BMW M240i, while less extreme, still offers impressive performance with its 382 horsepower turbocharged inline-six engine. It achieves a 0 to 60 time of around 4.3 seconds, providing thrilling acceleration for its class. The Ferrari SF90 design is a blend of race car and spaceship, with a cab-forward stance and active aerodynamics. Inside, it features a highly driver-focused cockpit with a striking 16-inch curved digital display and F1-inspired controls. The BMW M240i presents a more understated yet sporty aesthetic, with its classic coupe lines and M Sport design elements. Its interior is well appointed with quality materials and a large central screen for infotainment, offering a comfortable and engaging experience. The Ferrari SF90 commands a starting price of approximately $528,764, reflecting its status as a cutting-edge hybrid hypercar. The BMW M240i, on the other hand, offers exceptional performance at a much more accessible starting price, around $53,000. While both deliver exhilarating drives, the SF90 is for ultimate performance and exclusivity, while the M240i provides a fantastic balance of sportiness and daily usability. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.